piece of paper, and you get to the end and you hear this.
You shouldn't hear that.
You shouldn't hear that when you're cutting with this.
It's gonna be very
You never ever want to snip.
harsh.
So when you're cutting, this is what you're doing. You're never getting to the end.
Okay.
Because if you do this, it leaves a little
Pointy.
mark. See this? You see this right here? That's from the scissor. Those are scissor marks. You don't want those scissor marks. Okay? Let me think about what. Oh yeah. See how this is a little flared at the end? Also a nice thing so it doesn't dig into the upper arm. This is how you do it. You see that? Look.
You do it on the table?
Yes.
That's after the drawing? No,
While it's still hot. This is like the last thing you do. Alright? That flares it out just a little bit. This roll back that I was telling you about is all it's done is when the person has the splints still hot, you literally just roll it like this and it rolls back. And then it sticks to itself. It will stick to itself.
And how would I get this effect here without messing up this part?
No, you can do it. I'll show
Yes?
you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll demonstrate making a splint when we get to that part. Okay, so one of the things I want you to look. What's this? Right off the top. This is too short. So the arm length, the arm trowel, should be 2/3 the size of the arm. The cock up could be, and a little tiny bit shorter is okay, but especially with the resting hand, you want it to be 2/3 up. Okay? So these are right off the bat. This is way too short. See it? Too short. This one and this one, look at how wavy the material is. You see that? Look at this. This is way too narrow. You have to have a really skinny arm for that to put a nice well in. See how wavy? Look at that's even almost melted. You can look at this closer after. You can see the problems with each one. I have little descriptions on each one, what's wrong with it. Cut too narrow, corners are too sharp, no supported side by fingers and thumb. This is also, look at how flat it is on the sides.
Right, yeah.
So that your fingers can literally just slip right off. I like that little well. Another little tip I'll give you is when you're making the well, again, after this is fitted on the person, this is this. Look, you can see it. Just do that. It gives the little well. Same thing on this side. You see? All right, these are the ones that we made here, okay?